Welcome back to Unit 3 Algebraic Expression. You are studying Math Grade 6 First Term 2024, and now it's turn to exercise on Lesson 3 Writing Algebraic Expression. First question: complete to get an algebraic expression as example. So we have an example and we will do as it. An example has a variable x. X is a variable, right? Add 3 to this variable, so x plus 3. Okay? Subtract 7, so x minus 7. Multiply by 3, so 3x. Divided by 4, x divided 4. Okay? Now, point A, we have a variable y. Add 3 y plus 3. Okay? Subtract 7 y minus 7. Multiply 3, 3y. Divided by 4, y over 4. B. I don't know what's our variable here, okay, but we look here z minus 7, so our variable will be z plus 3 negative 7 3v here z over 4. Here we have L over 4, so our variable L plus 3 L minus 7 3L. Next, write a variable expression for each of the following algebraic expression. We will convert between algebraic to variable. Point A, 2m plus 7. 2m is multiply, okay? So, but 2 may be twice or double. Twice a number, okay, twice a number increased by what? By 7. Okay, 3 times bracket of m plus 4, so 3 times, so the product of 3 and what? And all bracket and a number and a number plus 4. No, it's wrong. Okay, and the sum, yeah, and the sum of a number like m and 4. Okay, so 3 times the sum of number and 4. Okay, because of the bracket I use this tip. Okay, x minus 6. 6 subtracted from x, right? So I can say that 6 less than a number. 6 less than a number, it's mean number minus 6. I can, the difference mean minus. Difference between a number and 6 is the same mean. Okay, 8 minus 3n. Okay, 8 less than what? 3n, right? No, that statement means 3n minus 8 and it's wrong. Okay, The correct one is 3n k less than 8. Okay, that's mean 8 minus 3n. Okay, the difference between 8 and third or triple n. Okay, half b plus 15. Half b plus 15. The sum of half, okay, a number, half of a number, and what? And 15. Okay, now complete as the following table. Verbal expression converted to algebraic expression. Variable number 1, add 3 to the double of number of x. Add is mean plus 3 to what? To double of x. Double x, it's mean 2x. Add 3. Subtract 5 from. So this is first, this is bigger one, the greatest one, and this is the smallest one. Double of number of y, 2y. Subtract 5. Okay. Add 7 to 3 times of number z. Add it means plus. Plus, it's not difference between 7 plus or 3 times plus 7. It's the same. So 3 times of number z plus what? Plus 7. Okay, subtract 3 from, so 3 here. Okay, from what? From half of x. Half of x may be to x over 2. Okay, add 6 to 1/3 of number. Add 6 to what? Third of a number. Any number like m. What's the third? Over 3. M over 3 plus 6. 4 times the sum of number and 7. 4 times of sum. 4 times the sum. Note, 4 times what? The sum of number and 7. So the sum of number and 7, any number like m plus 7, k, balances. 4 times is mean 4 times. Okay, the sum of 4 times summation of what? 4 times number and 7. 4 times a number and 7. Note that the sum of it's mean plus 4 times number, any number like m, 4m, and what? And 7. As a sum between a number, 4 number and 7, balances here. 4 times number, 4m, and 7, summation means plus. The quotient. Quotient is mean divide. A number by 8 increased by 12. Increased by 12. Quotient of a number by 8, any number like m over 8, increased by what? Increased, that's mean plus 12. I can write it as m over 8, okay, plus 12. Half the product. Half the product. Here we have the product first, then take its half. Product of what? Product of a number by itself. It's mean m. Half of it, half of half times okay. 8 decreased by 3 times a number. 8 decreased minus 3 times a number, right, like 3m. 8 decreased by 3m. Twice the sum of what? The sum of number and 3, any number, plus what? Plus 3 twice, this mean times 2. 17, less the product, less the product. Okay, less the product, this mean the product minus 17, the product of number by itself, like m times m, less it mean negative or minus 17. Okay, select the algebraic expression that represents the variable expression. 12 less than 3 groups of y. 3 groups of y, it means 3y. Less than 12, less than, it means 3y negative or minus 12. 3y minus 12. Okay? Record all verbal expression that represent the expression 5 plus 2x. All of these verbal represent that algebraic expression. Just choose the right statement. Okay? Sum of 2 and 5 multiplied by x. Not here. Sum of 2 and 5. It's mean 2 plus 5. Multiply x. Multiply x. Is that right? No. No choose. Okay? The product of 7 and x. The product of 7 and x, it means 7x. The sum of 5 and what? And quantity of 2x. 2 times x, it means 2x. Sum between 5 and 2x. 5 plus 2x. That's right. Choose that one. Okay? The product of 2x and 5. 2x and 5. 2x product times 5. Is that right? No, it's wrong. Okay, sum of 2 times x, 2 times x, 2x. Sum and between 2 times x and 5, 2 times x and 5, and just right. Okay, record which expression can be represented by an algebraic expression that contain addition. Which one of these have addition operation? Take 14 away from a number like m. Take away 14 minus 14. Is it addition? No. Ammar has 7 more tokens than Tamer. More is mean plus. Tamer has T. Ammar has what? Has as Tamer and more 7. We have here addition. Choose that one. A number increased by 3.5. A number increased by 3.5. We have here addition. Bahar put 12 more stickers in the sticker book. A sticker book has B. Okay, more it's mean plus. It's addition. A student shared his orange equally with his 2 friends. Shared, it's mean divided or split. Okay. His orange mean maybe O. Okay. Equally with 2 friends. Okay. Share, it's mean divide, and we need addition. There is no addition here. Next, two students are writing algebraic expression. Two students writing algebraic expression for this real world situation as verbal. Muhammad brought 5 boxes containing cookies, cookies, to school for his birthday. Muhammad brought 4 boxes containing cookies to his birthday. Ali write an algebraic expression. Ali write an algebraic expression to describe the total number of cookies. Total number of cookies, he count them. He found C plus C plus C plus C. Okay, this is our expression. Who wrote this question? It's Ali. But Kamal thinks there is another expression as well. He need to write it in another way. What expression could Kamal have been thinking of? And why are they both correct? This is correct expression. And we need what Kamal thought of to write. Okay? We have C plus C plus C plus C. Of course, these equal 4C, right? Yeah, because C plus C plus C plus C, okay, it's just 4C. It's just 4C. This expression is correct, and this expression is also correct expression. Ramiz studies X hour daily. Every day he studies X hour with an algebraic expression for the number of studied hour in a week. He needs us to write an algebraic expression. Okay, the hours he study in a week. We have 7 days per week. Okay, if he studied X hour per day, okay, but we have 7 days per week, so we have 7x. Okay, and as in an example, if x equal 2 hours per day, so per week he will study 7 by 2 equal 14 hours. Okay, so 7x is right. A square of side length L. Side length L. Write an algebraic expression for the parameter of the square. What's the parameter of a square? B of a square equal 4 side lengths, right? Okay, so the algebraic expression will be 4 what? 4L. It's called algebraic expression of the parameter of the square. Okay, Sarah has 150 pounds. She save what? She save X pound daily. Every day she save X. After a week, it means 7 days. Okay, she paid third of the money as a donation. Okay, she paid negative or minus the money as a donation. What's mean of third? Third mean 1/3. Don't forget. Okay. Okay. Now write an algebraic expression of the remainder money with Sarah. The remainder money with Sarah. Okay. Okay. Now step by step, we have what? First, we have 150 pounds, right? And she save X per day, and we have 7 days, so she save 7x. Okay, now she has 150 plus 7x. It's all money she has. Okay, now then she paid third of the money. Okay, we can divide it by 3. Okay, this amount what she paid. Okay, but he asked us to write an algebraic expression for the remainder. Now we can use our memory. Now I have a money. Okay, I paid third. What's the remainder now? Just 2/3. Why? Because I know if the money equal 1, it's whole number. Okay, I split it to third and what? And 2/3. Why? Because 1/3 plus 2/3 equal 3/3 equal 1. It's a total amount of money. Okay, now I paid this part as a donation. What's the remainder? 2/3 of what? 2/3 of the money. 2/3 of the money. What's the money she has? This is the money she has. The remainder is 2/3 of the money. So the remainder equal 2/3 of 150 plus 7x. Okay? Okay. Now write algebraic expression to find the area of the opposite figure. We have a figure here. We have here square, and we have here rectangle. Okay, we need to find out the area of the opposite figure, the total figure. Okay, the big one, like that, right? Okay, so I need to find the area of square first plus the area of rectangle. It's easy. Okay, step by step. First, area of rectangle. Area of rectangle. Area of rectangle, it's 10 times what? Times 5. This side is equal to this side, so it's 5 centimeter here. Okay, so area of rectangle, I know that area of rectangle equal L by W. L by W. L equal 10 by W equal 5, so equal 50 and centimeter square. Okay, now to find area of square. Area of square equal what? Length times itself. Side length times itself. Okay, so what's the time length? Oh, here we haven't know that length. Okay, so we said that this shape is square and I have just one dimension. It's wrong name. Okay, I don't know if 5 equal x or not, so it will be a rectangle, another rectangle, another rectangle. Okay, okay, what's this, the area of any rectangle? L times W. Okay, you equal L maybe 5 times what? Times x. Okay, it's mean 5x centimeter square. Now to find the total area, the plus or the sum of the two areas. Okay, 50 plus what? Plus 5x, it's all centimeter square. This is the needed algebraic expression. I can solve it another way and it's more quick than the first. I can say that it's a big rectangle. We have a width of 5 is the width, and we have 10 plus x as what? As length. Okay, so area direct equal length 10 plus x times what? Times width. Width equal 5 times 5. I can write it. It's favorite to put this constant at the left side. 5 times 10 plus x centimeter square, because it's area. Now, is this one different than that one? No, it's the same, because now if I times 5 times this branches 5 times 10 plus 5 times x equal 5 times 10 equal 50. 5 times x equal 5x. What? It's the same. So the same way is correct. Okay. Next, choose the correct answer. Number 1. If we subtract 5 from x, so it's x minus 5. Where x minus 5. So then saved L E, and her father gave her LE 10. So she saved what? She saved x. Her father gave her 10. She will have both of x and 10. It's a plus. X plus 10. Okay, what she saved and what her dad gave. Subtracting 3 from double number. Double number, he use n, double n, 2n. Subtract 3 from it. So 2n minus 3. 2n minus 3. 3 times a number less 2. 3 times number less 2. Not that less, it's minus, but 2 minus that. So 2 minus what? 2 minus 3 times number. Here we use x. 3x. 3 times number 3x. So 2 minus 3x less. So when we have less, start with the last one. 2 minus 3x. Okay, look here. 3 times x. Okay, less 2. Yes. 3x minus 2. Okay, not that. Here he write less 2. Less 2, it's mean decreased. But if he said less than 2 minus 3. But here he said 3 times number less 2. Okay, less 2. So this is the right one. So take care about the difference between less or less than. If he said less than, so 2 minus 3x. Without than, 3x minus 2. Okay. Point 5. If 3 times number, 3 times any number like q, 3q is added to 12. Okay, then the algebraic expression that expresses this is where 3q plus 12 twice the sum. So the sum first and then twice them. Sum of what? Number and 5. That's number y. Okay, he used y. Okay, number y, sum plus 5, then twice them times 2. 2 times y plus 5. Okay, next. Point 7. Basim is k years old now. His age is k. How old will he be after 5 years? After 5 years, he will increase 5 years old. So k plus 5. What operations are in the algebraic expression 4? twice number increased by 3. Twice number, he used plus or minus or what? What's the operation? He asked about operation. Operation plus, minus, divide and multiply. Okay? Okay. Twice number, it's mean times. Increased by, it's mean plus. So times and plus. Times and plus. Point 9. The verbal expression of 5x minus 7. Okay, 5x, 5 multiply x, increased by 7. No, increased is mean plus. Strong. 5 times a number x. Okay, 5x less than 7. Note, he said that less than 7. It means 7 minus 5x. It means 7 minus 5x, and this is wrong also. Here 5 times a number x, it means 5x less 7, it means minus 7, and that's one we need. Okay, that's the right one. Point C. Okay, now we can know that the difference between less than or less. Less than start with the last number, but less start with the first number. Okay, of course 7 decreased by 5x, it means 7 minus 5x, and this is also wrong statement. The verbal expression 3 times bracket of y plus 4 is 3 times y, 3 times y increased by 4, right? It's wrong. The sum of y and what? 4 times and 3 times 4. 3 times 4. It's wrong. Okay, y is in the bracket. Y less than, y less, not less than. Y less. It's mean y minus. 4 multiply 3. 4 multiply 3. That way, of course, it's false. Last one, the product of. We have 2 parts, and we have product. 3 and 3 is out, and sum of, we have here sum of y and 4. Yes, that expression we have here. So D is the correct answer. Okay. Okay, don't forget about less than and less. It's very important here to note that less than, of course, when he used less than, okay, that means start with 7, 7 minus x. But if he use just less, okay, just less, that means start with the first 1. Okay. Okay, and thank you, and this is the end of the exercise of lesson 3, unit 3. See you with the next lesson, and thank you.